We'll guide you through how to create a workflow in ClickUp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the ClickUp website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Spaces section to create or select a space where you want to set up your workflow. After selecting your space, click on the Add View button at the top right of your screen. From the available options, choose List View to start organizing your tasks. You'll be prompted to name your list and decide if you want it to be private or shared. After you name it, click Create New List. Once your list is created, you can start adding tasks by clicking the Add Task button. For each task, you can set details like the due date, assigned person, priority, and any custom fields you might need. To structure your workflow, click on the Automations tab in the top menu. Here, you can set rules to automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can create a rule that automatically changes a task status to In Progress when it's assigned. Click Add Automation and follow the prompts to set up these rules. ClickUp also allows you to integrate with other tools, so if you need to pull in data from another app, go to the Integrations section in your workspace settings. Select the app you want to connect, like Google Calendar or Slack, and follow the instructions to integrate it with your workflow. Remember to regularly review and adjust your workflow in ClickUp to ensure it meets your team's needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.